G'day YouTube, how you going? There's a bit of a flow on at the moment, and there are bees all over this bush here, and in the front yard, that tree there is covered in flowers. And when it wasn't windy, all you could hear was the buzz of bees. It was like getting attacked by a swarm almost. It was unbelievable. So I thought I'd dust off my beehive. Gave it a quick paint. There's 4 frames of foundation, not drawn out or anything, it's brand new, never been used, and 4 empty frames in the bottom box with a queen excluder, then the flow hive, and then I've got the telescoping top cover and all the rest of it on there. For the last couple of hours I've had the frames out in the open, and it's probably a bit naughty, but I've put just a little bit of honey smeared on some of the frames, and then as the frames had a heap of bees on it, I'd put the frame into the box and then do the same thing with the next frame, and so on and so forth. And same with the flow hives, the flow frames. I sorry about the wind, smeared them with a bit of honey as well. And as there were like half a dozen or more bees on a frame, I'd put it inside the box so that I can teach them to go through the hive and out through the bottom. And then I've just been waiting to see how many are coming and going through that bottom entrance. Now this is no way to do it. I know that. It's just a bit of an experiment. Basically the bees are going to be robbing. That's fine. It's a brand new beehive. I thought I might be able to get a bit of a head start by just getting a bit of bee smell in it. I know that might sound a bit silly, but anyway, it's what I sort of thought. And as you can see, every now and then we get a bee that, there we go, walks in down the bottom there. And eventually, I mean, fingers crossed, ideally I'd like it to just a swarm come in and move in, basically. That'd be pretty cool. There's a bug. Get out of there. Yeah, so that's where we're at. Just having a bit of play. I don't expect, like I said, I don't expect this thing to be full of bees in the morning and miraculously I've got a hive. I just thought I'd have a bit of an experiment and see what happens. Worst comes to worst, they'll eat out all the honey, probably rob out some of the wax that's in there, and that'll be it. But best case scenario is I might be able to capture a swarm, because like I say, at the moment there's a bit of a flow on. There's trees everywhere. Like I said, there's that one up there. That tree there's also got flowers all over it. A few days ago, that small gum tree there had flowers all over it. There's a tree over there with flowers all over it. There's this one here. There's these trees here have got flowers, and the galahs have been all over those trees, but there's flowers and stuff everywhere at the moment, so I'm hoping, like I said, that I end up with a free bee swarm. Anyway, just thought I'd share that, and I'll let you know how it goes. Righto, catch you later.